Today is a very exciting day for me. I have been recreating many of Arwen's looks from the Lord of the Ring trilogy. And one cannot do Arwen without her famous riding outfit that we first see her in Fellowship of the Ring. So I decided I was going to make it. However, the costume's a lot of work. And I had commissions coming in and things that needed my attention, but I also didn't want to wait. So I hired a lovely lady in Russia on Etsy to make it for me. And after she mailed it March 26th, and it is now April 26th, 2021. So it took exactly a month from when she shipped it to me getting it. So I'm very excited. I thought I'd do a quick, not quick, but an unbagging, if you will, to kind of show you guys what I got. And I'm so excited. I saw the reviews of other people who have hired her. I saw pictures of other people who had done professional photo shoots in her outfits, and I'm hoping, and I'm sure it'll be lovely. So, well packaged here. I should note it does not come with the belt buckle. That I had to get separately, and I did actually order it on Thingiverse, and I just have been too busy to finalize making it. But now that this is here, that's gonna definitely light the fire that gets this made. Ooh. Okay. I have an envelope here. I don't know what this is, but oh, how sweet. Oh, I have a Russian chocolate, looks like, or some kind of candy, which that was really sweet. I've never had candy from Russia, so that'll be interesting. And oh, a thank you. So her name is Tatiana. So thank you, Tatiana, for the lovely gift. And oh, here we go. So it feels, it's a polyester blend of some sort. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so the sleeve, which was the thing that like detracted me the most from not making this costume, has to be embroidered. And so here is the beautiful embroidery. I can't tell if it's machine embroidered or not, but wow, that's absolutely beautiful. The collar was another thing that I was like, ugh, I don't want to deal with this. It looks like she hand painted the design on the collar, and it's serged in to the facing. So it is not lined, but that's okay. I'm in California. So, but wow. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. And it's got seam down the back. Okay. So, well, I had a Lord of the Rings soundtrack playing, but suddenly Spotify decided to change it. Here is the back, which you wouldn't see anyway, because the wig would be, I'm changing this song. Okay, At the Sight of the Prancing Pony is not going to be playing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then here is where the buckle would go through. So, let me try this on and see how it looks. Okay, so just put it on over my head. I'm tying it in the back. Got a nice tie here. Not exactly sure how it ties. I'll just do a bow for right now until I figure it out. And then this obviously brings it in so it's more cinched. I'm not sure, I know my buckle's around here somewhere that I had printed. But for now I'll just do that. And here it is. It is a knit. It is some kind of a stretch. Because I was able to just pull it over my head. Look at that. The sleeves have that pretty lining, and actually she does wear gloves with it. So let me throw these on. There we go. All right. And then that. And then, cannot forget the piece de resistance. So obviously, yeah, need hair, need makeup, but I think I'm ready. I'm very, very pleased. It looks good. Need some fine tuning, but not bad. Yeah, I'll do it later. Ta-da!